Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tough Headwear Balaclava Ski Mask. Strike Balaclava is made of stretchy, breathable fabric that protects your face while wicking away moisture. It also features mesh breathing panels to increase airflow while minimizing condensation on your goggles. It gives you ultimate protection from elements such as cold, wind, dust and sun's UV rays. People use our balaclavas for skiing, snowboarding, riding, ATVing, hunting, construction, warehouse work and shoveling snow. It's versatile that you can wear it on its own or under a helmet. You'll be surprised by how warm this lightweight, breathable, and extra stretchy balaclava is. Designed from 89% polyester and 11% spandex blend that wicks away moisture while retaining heat, you'll stay comfortable and dry all day. Wear the Strike Balaclava as a full face mask for ultimate protection from the elements, a helmet liner, ninja hood, half ski mask, neck warmer, or pull it up to wear it as a face mask while you take public transportation. Our second best winter face mask is Rock Bros Cold Weather Balaclava Ski Mask. Rock Brothers Balaclava Scarf Mask provides the most pleasantly warm temperature for you. Thermal fleece inside the windproof ski mask, keep your head and face warm, say goodbye to cold. Winter Balaclava Mask for cold weather can protect you from wind, cold, dust and UV, which is benefit from the unique material. Even in extremely bad weather, the excellent performance of Balaclava can easily hold it. Rock Brothers Men's Balaclava Windproof Hood fit the motorcycle helmet, ski helmet, bike helmet and safety helmet perfectly. Also the helmet balaclava for men, lightweight and comfortable feeling, widely used in skiing, motorcycling, skating, running, snowboarding, riding, hunting, construction, warehouse work and shoveling snow. 100% thermal fleece inside the balaclava ski mask, the super soft and smooth touch feeling like milk. Benefit from the breathable material, easy breath when you're doing some outdoor activities. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Tagvo Winter Hat Warm Ski Mask. The Balaclava Beanie Hat is dual layers design, consists of durable acrylic fiber outer and comfy artificial fleece liner. Soft and light, skin friendly. The fleece inner can be effectively resist the cold wind and give you extra warmth in cold weather. Excellent stretchability allows it to fit most head circumference. You can easily get a custom fit according to your head size. Meanwhile, the beanie hat is light that will not cause any pressure on your head while keeping warm. Semi-closed design make the beanie hats could be using as balaclava, ski face mask, neck gaiter or scarf. Besides, the visor design can obstruct the cold wind effectively. The winter thick knit beanie could be cover your ears, neck and most cheek, to provide extra warmth, which is perfect for outdoor sports, skiing, snowboarding, running, hiking, camping, cycling, fishing and so on. Ideal for outdoor and sports activities, such as skiing, snowboarding, running, hiking, camping, cycling, fishing. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Balaclava Ski Mask. It may be warm as can be, but our winter ski mask is deceptively lightweight and breathable. You can count on its mesh and rubber center panel to allow air to pass in and out of your mask so that your breath and sweat will exit the premises before you feel any moisture against your skin and before your goggles or glasses fog up. For those painfully cold days that leave your face red and numb, there's the Balaclava Air Mask. Designed for extreme cold, and we're talking sub-zero chills, it will fend off all the harsh elements from wind and sleet to UV rays, so you can be comfortable and protected, even in bone-chilling weather. Designed for extreme cold, and we're talking sub-zero chills, it will fend off all the harsh elements from wind and sleet to UV rays, so you can be comfortable and protected, even in bone-chilling weather. Featuring 4-way stretch, our cold weather face mask goes with the flow when you get moving. It's designed with 89% soft, flexible polar fleece polyester and 11% spandex and stretches to accommodate all head sizes comfortably. Designed with a long neck that tucks into your jacket, you won't have to worry about readjusting while you're out on the slopes. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best winter face mask list is Astro AI Balaclava Ski Mask. This mask gives you the option to cover your entire face and features an extra long neck section for superior wind and cold protection. Perfect for outdoor activities like motorcycle, bicycle, skiing, snowboarding, mountain climbing, hiking, or just spending time in cold weather. Insulated mesh fabric prevents fogging up your glasses or goggles. The fit is flexible and design is durable with a refined sewing process to increase its lifespan. Get the most comfort out of your experiences. The Polar Fleece offers extra warmth and protection, even when temperatures are freezing. This non-irritating fabric is lightweight, stretchy, soft and breathable with no pilling, deformation, fading and weird smells. UV rays, wind, dust, freezing temperatures, snow, sleet, rain and other elements are no match. You can wear this balaclava as a full face mask, open balaclava, half ski mask or neckerchief on its own, under a helmet, with glasses or goggles. Warm gifts for men and women this winter. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.